Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Danny and welcome back to 1U365. And today we will discuss about Earth. This is the third part or part 3 out of 10 parts of the Protector of the Solar System mini series. Not so mini series actually. This is kind of longer series, but yeah, it's about planets. Previously, we discussed or talked about Mercury a little bit, about Venus a little bit, and today we'll actually talk about Earth, our home planet. Um, it should be straight to the point, I guess. I mean, we kind of already know, right? It takes 365.24, I believe, something days for Earth to, revolve around the sun, and it took 1 day or 24 hours or 23.599 something. I have no idea. Days, not days, hour for Earth to um, complete rotation. So yeah. Anyway, we will talk about Earth, I guess, and yeah. Like I said, it's kind of straight to the point, right? Also, I'm going to, what is it? Just to remind myself that I only have 10 to 15 minutes. All right, it's 55, which means that it will be for um 3:05. If you look at the corner here to the my phone clock, it will be 3:05 to 3:10. Okay. So yeah, Earth is the third planet from the sun, obviously, and the only place known in the universe where life has originated and found habitability. Okay. Um, well, it's the one that we know or we are sure just yet. I feel like I don't know. I feel like the universe is a little bit too big for another life to not exist. So yeah, I feel like it's most likely possible that there are some other form of life that are happening somewhere else, or okay, the options are two actually. It's either happening like right now. That's the first option. Second option, or probability, I guess. Maybe I should just call it probability. Second probability will be it already happened like a long time ago, and however, just like any other planets, they all eventually die, right? Like the sun dies, and so the solar system dies within as well. So, um, yeah, like the second probability is that it might actually have already happened a long time ago in the past, somewhere, but they already extinct like a long time ago. They had their time just like us having our time right now, but obviously we won't last forever. They also wouldn't last forever, so yeah, they just extinct eventually, like a long time ago. And the third probability, yeah, it's kind of the same. However, this one will be in far in the future. So at this stage, maybe they are still in the in the phase of Cambrian explosion, I think. Yeah, maybe they are still in that stage. They still need to evolve, etc., etc., until they eventually become like the superior or the apex predator, just like Earth with the human, right? That's like the peak of living things on Earth, that are sentient, smart, etc., etc. I feel like there might actually happen to the other location as well, but again that will probably be far in the future. Like they're still evolving. They haven't they're still cooking. Yeah, yeah, they're still cooking. They haven't finished cooking. So yeah, let them cook. Let them cook. Let them evolve first. So yeah, that is the probability, I guess. Or I guess the fourth probability is that there is no one at all out there. It's just Earth. And yeah, the only planet with lives. I don't know. It kind of is most likely not, not the case, but I don't know. I mean, like probably the probability where I mentioned about it already happened long time ago, or it will happen long time from now. It I think those two options, or probabilities, are probably the most likely thing. The chance that something else is actually at the same state of Earth, like right now as well, at the same time, at this exact same time, that they are, just as developed as human. I feel like the odds are kinda less likely. Maybe they are a little bit smarter, they evolve a little bit longer. They have been around a little bit longer. Maybe, they're smarter, or maybe they are still, like equivalent to us, like in the caveman era. That is also a possibility. So yeah, but still, though, that is like in the future and in the past, right? But still, again, it's happening right now. But I don't know. I feel like those odds are kind of less likely because the universe has been around since like a long time ago, right? And this exact point, out of many points, out of many times, the Earth exists, right? With human as its peak, living things at the moment. So, I feel like it's kind of most likely that, if anything, it's gonna the odds of two things happening at one exact point out of lots of points. I feel like it's kind of less likely. So yeah, if anything, it's gonna be like in other time. So yeah, that's why I said the probability where like other living things, other life, uh, has already happened or will happen, like in the future, or had already happened in the past, and again they extinct, like I said. So yeah. Anyway, I've talked about that 5 minutes. I only have 5 minutes left, I guess. This is the Earth, as seen from the space. I have no idea what location is this. This is though. Yeah, like there is this one over here. There is this crack in the continent. I have no idea where this exact location is. Maybe it is not centered. I have no idea though. But yeah. Okay. Designations: Gaia, Terra, Tellus, the world, the globe, Sol 3. Okay. I have no idea what Sol 3 actually. Um, it was also mentioned previously in Venus, I think. Sol 3. I have no idea. Earthly, terrestrial, Terran, Tellurian. Terran is actually the call for people that live in Earth. It's called Terran, I think. I know that from movie references. Like terrain. So the Earth terrain is occupied by the Terran. So yeah. Um, I think that's the the what is it, the source, or the the how it got the call. So yeah. um well, not really though. Maybe the movie actually referenced that after. I have no idea, but yeah. Aphelion, perihelion, this is the longest and the shortest distance from sun. Obviously we orbit the sun not in circle, but we're more like in a elliptical path. That's why we have the shortest distance and the longest distance. So yeah. um okay, let's see here. Inclination, we have 7 degree to the sun's equator. Okay. um okay, time of perihelion. Okay, January 4th, 2023. So it already happened few months ago. Interesting. Okay. Argument of perihelion. Okay. Satellites, one, yes, we have one, and that is Moon. Five quasi satellites and more than 4,500 operational artificial satellites, and 18,000 tracked space debris. That is insane. That is a lot of debris in space. So yeah, let's continue. What is this? Mean radius. Okay, 6300. Interesting. Um, okay, equatorial radius. Yes. Polar radius. Yes. Whatever. Flattening. Yeah. Um, circumference, surface area, volume, mass. Yeah. Okay, mean density, yes. Okay, the density the same as previous one. If you throw earth in the lake, it will actually sink or drown. So yeah, it's not gonna float just yet. Um, by just yet, I mean I believe there is actually a planet that will actually float. I think it's Saturn. I have no idea. Okay, escape velocity. What else here? Um, axial tilt. Yeah, temperature, yeah, surface pressure, yeah, by volume, yeah, whatever. Okay, that is interesting. What else here? Nitrogen, oxygen. I think I already mentioned about this as well in the past about nitrogen and oxygen. It's 78 and 21 pretty much. So yeah. What else here? Hmm. Earth, like most other bodies in the solar system, formed 4.5 billion years ago. Yeah, that is a long time ago, right? 4.5 followed by nine zeros, kinda eight zeros, I think, because it's 4.5. The 5 replaces one of the zeros, so yeah. 4.5 followed by eight zeros, which is kind of insane. Um, like I said previously as well, the odds that two lives exist during this time, this point, compared to like any point within 4.5 billion years ago, or even longer than that, um, the odds are kind of less likely. So yeah, if it happens to be another life form, then yeah, like I said, it's most likely already happened or it hasn't happened yet. So yeah, I have no idea. I mean, that is the idea, but I have no idea if that is true or not. I mean, obviously we cannot, really know if it's possible or not to for some life form to exist. I mean they have to evolve first, right? Like otherwise they're not gonna evolve, they're undeveloped and they will die, they don't survive. So that is also a possibility. So yeah. Oh, it's already 3:05. All right, I only have 4 minutes left. Let's see here, chronology. Okay, formation. Okay, so this is just a picture from artist. Okay, after formation, pale orange dot. Another artist. Like art, I guess. Okay, this one another artist. This one conjectured illustration. Okay, another illustration of the scorched earth after the sun has entered the red giant phase about 5 to 7 billion years from now. Yeah, I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna be here in 2300 at least. So yeah, 5 billion from now, I feel like humans probably already extinct by then. I have no idea. Most likely. So yeah, geophysical characteristics. Yes, size and shape. Yes, we know this. What is this surface? Yes, we already know. I think only 10%. I think or 30%. I kind of forgot actually. Um. Yeah. Okay, here we go. 70% is on water. Okay, so 30% is only the land, visible land that is. So yeah, and then this is as well Earth crust. Yeah, whatever. What is this? Tectonic plates. Yeah, Pacific plate, African plate, North American plate, Eurasian plate, Indo-Australian. Yeah, Antarctic. Yeah, South American. Yeah, yeah. Um, so yeah, this is the first continent, I think, the Pangea or something like that. Before split, right? Before everything split. Because the Earth is constantly moving, right? The layer of What is it called again? The mantle, or not the mantle, the crust, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's skip through this. Also, it's starting to rain now at my place, so yeah. What is this? Oh, this is the magnetosphere. Yeah, this is the radiation, right? Okay, bow shock, magnetosheath, northern tail lobe, southern tail lobe, plasma sphere. Yeah, whatever. Um, let's see here. Oh, that's it. Well, no, there's many things. Orbit and rotation, we already mentioned 365 days, 1 day, etc. etc. Earth Moon system, yes, because we have satellite, it creates water tides, I think. Yeah. Yeah, this one, tidal locking. Yeah, yeah. Also, it's just a random fact, I guess, that the moon, actually the surface, the face of the moon is always the same, you know. I mean, the moon always faces the same side to the earth every time. So yeah, it's interesting things as well. You will never see moon with the other side of the moon. You will never be able to see it unless unless there is some things, you know, that hits the moon and it caused the moon to change its rotation. But yeah, I don't know. But for now, uh, the moon will always face the earth the same way. Hydrosphere, okay. Hydrosphere, yeah. Atmosphere, yeah. I mean, we already know about the layers of the atmosphere. The pressure is one. You know, one time, well, you know, yeah, I mean, obviously, right, like the other planets are, you know, comparing it to earth. Obviously the earth is at one for one, one with earth. I don't know if that makes sense. Life on earth, yeah. I guess I already mentioned about this as well, the evolution, right? It's been since a long time ago, so yeah, I feel like, I don't know, maybe again, like maybe other life form is still developing. Maybe they already developed and they already extinct. I have no idea. But it's most likely to happen. Yeah, compared to the other probability where there's another life form that happens at this exact time. So yeah. What else here? Geography, yeah, we already mentioned. Not yet, but it's kind of, you know, like we already know. The continents, right, with all the races and stuff like that. Um, Temperature, okay. It's whatever. Culture and historical viewpoint. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's just Earth. I mean, what do you expect, right? See, also, and yeah, so that is it. This has been already been long enough already. It's been more than 15 minutes, so I have to cut it over here. But yeah, there you go. That is Earth, our planet, our home planet. Um, will we find another life form? Most likely not. Not at this exact same time. It might actually be you know, like a few years back, few years from now. I have no idea. But yeah. Yeah, I guess that is it for this one. I don't know. Let me know if you think there is other life form. What do you think they look like? If I have to take a guess, I guess they're just similar to human probably because, you know, we evolve, right? We evolve a long time, and I feel like this is just the perfect form that we can have, right, with the human body. So you know, I feel like the same, you know, by nature, I feel like the same can actually happen with other life form as well. So yeah, maybe a little bit different here and there, adjusting with the atmosphere, like you know, like the air there, the water. I have no idea, but yeah, it's just, you know, like adapting to the condition, right? But yeah, I feel like the generic vessel of other life form, like the pig, will be kind of similar to human. So yeah, you know, we have two hands, two legs. I feel like it's already enough, right? We can do lots of stuff. So yeah, but anyway, I think for this one, I hope you guys enjoy it. Stay healthy. I will see you again, maybe tomorrow, maybe a few days from now. I have no idea when this video will be out. So yeah, in the next part, part 4. But until then, Stay safe, healthy, and see ya.